Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a circular crop with a border or stroke in CapCut. Follow along as we break it down step by step. First, import your footage into CapCut and add it to the timeline. Once the clip is on the timeline, click on the clip and go to the video section. From there, navigate to Mask and select the Circle Mask option. Use your cursor or fingers to position and resize the circle so it fits your subject or desired area properly. Now, to create the border, select the clip again and go to the Basic settings under the Video tab. Scroll down to the Canvas option and you'll see a drop-down. Click on it, then choose a solid color from the list. This will serve as your border color. For this example, let's pick white. Once you've selected your border color, right-click on the clip and choose Create Compound Clip. This step groups the clip and its mask together, allowing you to make further adjustments easily. Go back to Video, then select Mask again and adjust the circle mask. Drag one of the corners of the mask inward or outward to fine-tune the border width to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of the border, click Done to apply the changes. Now, return to the Basic tab. At this point, the entire video will be selectable, not just the masked portion. This allows you to move and position the clip freely. If you'd like to add a background, move your circular cropped clip to the second layer of the timeline. Then, add a new clip, image, or solid color background to the first layer. Adjust its position and size as needed. You can also scale your circular cropped clip up or down and place it anywhere on the screen, and that's it. You've created a circular crop with a border in CapCut. Thanks for watching.